Did you know Ulefone has released a new rugged phone called that Ulefone RugKing 5 Pro, and it comes with some really impressive features, especially when it comes to extreme battery life and durability. If you work outdoors, go camping, or just hate charging your phone every day, this might be something worth checking out. It even has the ability to help you see in the dark, which is a pretty cool addition. Now, this isn't a phone designed to be slim or lightweight. Instead, it focuses on one thing: durability. So let's take a closer look. Now let's start with the unboxing. This is the box. As you can see, there are some specifications on the front and more details on the back. Once we open it up, right on top we get the usual paperwork including user manuals and guides. It's nice to see they have also included a screen protector, which is a great bonus. Underneath that we have the device itself, but let's put aside for a moment and check what else is inside the box. We get a 33-watt charger along with a Type-C to Type-C charging cable, which is a very long. Now, first impression of the phone, it feels very solid, a bit heavy, which makes sense considering the large battery inside. Overall, the packaging is quite complete and everything feels well organized. Now let's talk about how this phone actually looks in real life. The Ulefone RugKing 5 Pro has a very bold and rugged design. You get this industrial style backed with strong lines, textures, elements, and reinforced corners that clearly show it's built for tough use. On the back you will notice the camera module and also the large LED flashlight, which gives it a very unique look compared to normal smartphones. On the right side you have got the volume rockers and a power button, which also works as a fingerprint sensor, which is quite fast and responsive. The SIM tray supports dual SIM cards and micro SD expansion, which gives you more flexibility. There's the customized side button you can set to quickly launch your favorite apps. And there's one more dedicated button which is used especially to control the camping light brightness. Long press for light, which is very convenient. Now, even though the phone is quite big, it actually makes sense because inside you get a massive 20,000 mAh battery. This means you can easily get multiple days of usage even with heavy use. And if you are using it lightly, it can last even longer. It also supports reverse charging, so you can use it as a power bank to charge other devices, as you can see right now in this video. Another very interesting feature is the built-in LED flashlight on the back. It's extremely bright, which makes it perfect for camping, emergencies, or working in dark environments. And this is not just a normal flashlight, it can reach up to around 976 lumens of brightness, which is very powerful for a smartphone. So honestly, this feature makes the phone feels like more than just a smartphone. It's almost like carrying a flashlight, power bank, and phone all in one device. About the water durability, as I mentioned earlier, this phone comes with IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistance, which means it can survive in up to 1.5 meters of water for around 30 minutes. For this test, I am putting this phone under running tap water. As you can see, even this water directly hitting the phone, it continues to work without any issues. The screen is responsive and everything functions normally. That's exactly what you expect from a rugged device like this. This rugged phone RugKing 5 Pro comes with an ultra large 6.78 inches full FHD plus display, which gives you a really big screen for everyday use, and it has a pixel density of 396 ppi. And the brightness goes up to around 910 nits, which means the screen stays visible even when you are using it outdoors under strong sunlight. The bezels are normal for a rugged phone, not super thin, but they don't feel distracting. Overall, for things like watching movies, YouTube, or navigation, the display actually looks quite good and is very comfortable to use.
Right, let's get these out of here.
Now moving on to the performance, the RugKing 5 Pro is powered by an octa-core T7250 processor. It is designed to handle daily tasks smoothly while keeping more efficiency in mind. But this chipset is mid-range at best, so don't expect high-end gaming performance. This is running Android 16 and it supports 4G connectivity, not 5G, so you can stay connected for calls, browsing and streaming without any issues. Now let's talk about the camera. On the front you get a 16 megapixel selfie camera and on the back there's a 64 megapixel main camera. And you also get a 20 megapixel night vision camera along with two IR LEDs which help captures images in very low light or even completely darkness. The night vision feature is especially useful if you are outdoor at night or in low light situation. I have also taken some photos and video samples so you can check the real camera performance for yourself. Here you go. I'm testing out the video quality from front and back camera of Ulefone RugKing 5 Pro. This is the video quality you get from the front camera and it gives you 16 megapixel and I'm recording this video in 1080p FHD. I'm walking slowly so you can see the result. The result looks not bad. Now let me show you the running result. It's a bit shaking while running. The stabilization is not that good, but for the rugged phone the video quality is not bad from the front camera. And while video recording you cannot zoom in. And about the audio, I'm not using any external microphone, so the audio comes directly from this phone. Alright guys, now I'm recording this video from the back camera of Ulefone RugKing 5 Pro, which gives you 32 megapixel camera from the back camera. And this video is also recording in 1080p FHD. 1080p FHD, it does not offer you 4K. This is the result while walking slowly. And this is 1x, you can zoom, this is 2x, you can zoom till 4x, 4 times zoom, this is 1x, and from this angle you can zoom till 4x as well. This is the result. Alright, let me show you the running result. So this is the results you get from the back camera of Ulefone RugKing 5 Pro.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
So overall the Ulefone RugKing 5 Pro isn't for everyone. But if you want huge battery life and tough durability, it's a solid choice. It's basically a phone, power bank and a flashlight all in one. If you want one for yourself, I have put the product link in the description below. Check it out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.